Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever it is that you are watching me from. I am Iyaa'lu Adisa from Gifted Hands Drum Academy, and today, being the final day of our introduction, this is the final episode of the introduction, we have the Iyaa'lu with me. Yeah, this is the mother drum. This is the mother drum. Now you can see what I've been saying about the size. Aside the fact that it is the biggest in the Dundun family, you know, you cannot compare the size of this to that of Omele Iyaa'lu, Omele Atele, or the Akpala, which is popularly known as Gugum. So now this is the biggest, and apart from that, it has some spectacles, and that makes it unique from other drums. And starting with the Oju, now I'll be telling you, these are the Oju, the two Iyaa'lu. We have it here, and this is another one here. So the two sides, we have the Iyaa'lu. Then we have the Osun. I think it will be clearer here. So these are the Osun for Iyaa'lu. And then after the Osun, we have its Asele. Like you can find on every other drum on the Dundun family, this is the Asele for Iyaa'lu. And the usual Idelu. I think you should be used to this by now. We have the Idelu. So now we have the other things that are not really common that you've not seen in previous drums. Now, I'll take it from the Akpa. Notice I'm saying Akpa, I'm not saying Oja. So because it is Iyaa'lu, so we don't call this Oja, so it is Akpa. So I'm taking it from the Akpa. So this is the carrier with which you hang it on your shoulder. So it is called the Akpa. And after the Akpa, you have the Iyaa'lu. So this is Iyaa'lu. Don't forget, this is actually a new element. It's a new thing. So you cannot find Iyaa'lu in either the Omele Iyaa'lu, Omele Atele, or the Akpala. You cannot find Iyaa'lu. And now the unique part of this Iyaa'lu, what makes Iyaa'lu now, is the shaworo. You know, in the probably very introduction episode, I told you that the Iyaa'lu has the chimes attached to the two sides of the drum that produces distinct sound to accompany the sound of the Iyaa'lu when it is being played. And now these are the shaworo. So they are called shaworo. And these chimes actually gives the name shaworo to Iyaa'lu. So for some people, while the general name for Iyaa'lu is Dundun, some people will call it shaworo. Some people will call it shaworo. So you could either call it Dundun, Iyaa'lu, or shaworo. And with the shaworo, you see, it can never keep short. Shaworo will never keep short. It will never be silent. You see that it is giving us sound in this episode, unlike the previous episodes of the Akpala, Omele Iyaa'lu, and then Omele Ikeyin. We also have the Egi and the Ogun. Fine, these are the Egi, the black tapes, black leather tapes used around the face of the drums are the Egi. And in between each Egi, you can find the Ogun. Those are the white stripes there. So those are the Ogun. Those are the Ogun that you are seeing. And I believe if you have any other thing that you would like to correct or add or contribute, you can do well to hit into the comment section of this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. In subsequent videos, we'll be teaching you on how to handle the drums, then how to play the drums, how to handle the drums and how to play the drums. You know, in this episode, we only taught us on identification of the drums, but in subsequent episodes, we'll be playing the drums. You'll be hearing the sound of the drums, then you'll be seeing different technique used in playing each drum. Like I said, don't forget to share this video, like, comment. Thank you very much.